Are you looking for a great waterfront dining experience? Well, Jaco's Bayfront Bar and Grill is one of the best in Pensacola. It's located at the very end of South Palafox Street. Just as it runs into the Luna Park, you'll see that there's a large marina there, and it's there on that marina overlooking the bay. So I've ordered the tender blue salad. It has some very fresh ingredients as well as their own salad dressing. They make all of their own salad dressings in-house. So I'm going to take a look, see how it tastes. It's really good. When you're done with your meal at Jaco's, you can take a stroll at the Luna Park. It's a great place to just hang out and enjoy the water. I'm Rob of Brooks Realty, and this is where I live.